Hi friends, I'm sure you would have often heard about the terms like Monte Carlo simulation, regression, VAR or value at risk, scenario analysis, sensitivity analysis, right? I'm also sure that you are aware about the concepts behind these terms. But are you really comfortable with the practical application of these tools? If I give you an Excel, can you apply these tools and come up with meaningful results? Probably not. And that is a primary objective of our newly launched program, Excel Analytics for Finance Professionals. The primary objective is you automate, you learn, and you increase your efficiency, right? Of every day-to-day task within the financial services industry you perform. So in this 2-day program, you're going to learn a lot of intermediate to advanced level Excel tools and functions. These will help you in automating your day-to-day tasks and increase efficiency. So in case you are looking to make a career in industries like banking, financial services, asset management, private equity, this program will enrich you with all the right practical Excel skills. Thank you.